Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you are going to live preview your React project in VS Code. Uh, Here is the demo which I'm going to do. For example, to do work to do or to do list, I'm going to write here. You can see to do list, and it will directly change that one to do list. Okay, now how you are going to get that one? For example, if you have started your server, you can see the preview in your browser here. You have to copy that URL. Now once you have copied that one, you will come in that top search and you are going to write the closing tag, and here you have like simple browser show. Just enter on that and just paste the URL you have copied from the server which you are using in React.js. Now enter and you get that file in here. But what you are going to do, click on split screen and you can just drag that here and close the first one and adjust the screen here, and you are good to go. For example, if I'm going to change the input portion, I will just write the style maybe, and style maybe I'm going to write a margin or padding. I'm going to give margin maybe 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and we can see that margin has changed. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to say padding or padding. For padding, I'm going to use for example 10 pixel as well. Then you can see that the padding will also change that here. See, the padding is changed. Now what else I'm going to use? For example, you can see that live here preview here. For example, found found and font size. Maybe what you are going to do for font size, 24 pixel. Remember that you are working on React, therefore you have to just make the formation like that one. Now it is how you are going to do. For example, I'm going to delete that one and I'm going to write car cycle. See the live preview you have to see, and motorcycle, maybe you are going to delete that one, and that is how you are working here. I hope you got the idea. If you have any problem, just write that in comment box below. If you have not subscribed yet my channel, just subscribe. Thank you everyone.